Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is an old Ford Fiesta. This is the contents of its packaging. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the needs to prepare. First, we remove the cover plate from the control screen of the original car. Let's open the small panel under the button panel. Unscrew these 4 screws. We'll remove the key panel from the original car. Now we take out the main engine and unplug all the wires on the back. Okay, now we unscrew the screws holding the original car screen. Take out the original car screen and unplug the wire on the back. Okay, now plug in the key cable and install the panel. Reinstall the key panel. Next, we connect the RCA line. Connect the radio antenna. Connect the GPS antenna. Connect the cam wire. Connect USB cable. Connect the communication line. Connect black power. Connect the canvas box. Connect one end of the USB converter cable to the original car and the other end to the USB cable of the car. Connect the power cord to the original car plug. Now we install the product on it. Let's test the feature, which can play local and online music. You can listen to your favorite radio station. Speaker playback can be adjusted to your liking. Support Bluetooth phone. CarPlay is supported. You can use the voice assistant here. You can make calls, listen to songs, use maps to navigate. You can also use other mobile apps. Support dial reminder. You can search the internet for news. There are a variety of things waiting for you to choose. The video is over. Thank you for watching.